children! Welcome back to our channel. And today it's our session 2 for our phonics lesson. I am very excited because you are here with me today. Okay? I hope you are also excited to learn with Miss Jovi. Yes! I am Miss Jovi and I am your teacher. Are you ready? Okay, so today we are going to learn letter A. So this is letter A. And letter A sound is ah, ah. Can you say that with me? Ah, ah. It's like ah, ah, ah. Like the ant on your arm. So ah. Alright? And that is letter A. And letter A sounds ah. To help us remember the sound ah, we are going to listen to this song. Okay? Ready? Go!
And so my arm, and so my arm, and so my arm, they're causing me alarm.
Good job! Let's try one more time to help us remember the sound of letter A, which is ah.
And so my arm, and so my arm, and so my arm, they're causing me alarm.
Good job. So ah, ah. Good job. Next is we're going to read this word ah. Ant. Well done. Ah, ah, arrow. Ah, ah, apple. All right. So we've got ant, arrow, apple. Can you notice that all of this picture starts with ah, 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 ah. Your turn. Good. All right. So now we are going to write letter A or sounds ah on the board. We're going to try it by ourselves, but before that, we are going to look at this video first to see how is she going to write ah. Okay, ready, go. Down, up, down. Let's try one more time. Down, up, down. Good job. Now let's try to do it together with Miss Jovi. Okay, make sure that you've got your board and your pen. Okay, so we are going to write ah. Curly, up, down, and flick. Down, up. That is ah. Can you do it by yourself now? Good. All right. So that is ah. You have to remember the sound is ah. Ah, ah, ant. Ah, ah, ant. Good job. Okay, so now let's going to watch this one. How to write ah. Okay. Curly up, down. One more. Curly up, down. Amazing. Curly up, down. One more time. Curly up, down. So that is ah, 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 ant, ah, ah, ants. All right, good job. So I hope you are following and you're writing on your board. Okay, next is let's look at some words that start with A sound. The first one is alligator. A alligator. A astronaut. A astronaut. So, alligator. A astronaut. Well done. Okay, so now we are going to look at this picture. If this picture starts with a sound, we are going to look at the sound at the beginning. If it starts with a, a, a. If you hear the sound a, then you are going to tick the picture. But if you don't hear the sound a at the beginning, then that is not you're going to tick with. All right. So the first picture is rabbit. Rabbit. Can you hear a at the beginning? Rabbit. Yes, you're right. Rabbit doesn't start with sound. It doesn't have, oh sorry, rabbit doesn't start with a sound. Can you tell me what sound does it start with? Rabbit. Yes, you're right. Rabbit starts with R, okay, and not a. Good try. Next is axe. Axe. Oh, the picture is an axe. Does it start with a sound? Can you listen one more time? Axe. Yes! Good job. And axe starts with a sound. You're right. Next picture is book. Book. Does this picture starts with a? Can you hear an a at the beginning? Book. Book. Uh-oh, you're right. It doesn't start with an a sound. It starts with book. It doesn't start a. I cannot hear a at the beginning of the word book. No, no, no. All right. Next picture is an anchor. An anchor. Does it start with a? Anchor. Anchor. Good job. Anchor starts with a. Anchor. Amazing. Okay, so these are the words or these are the picture that starts with a sound. Listen carefully and then think if this picture really starts with a sound. The first picture is ant. Ant. Arrow. Arrow. Apple. Apple. Alligator. Alligator. Astronaut. Astronaut. Axe. Axe. And arrow. Arrow. So I'm sure you hear a at the beginning of these words. All right. Okay, so let's review first. Let's review the sound that we have learned in the past. So we've got s, s. Good job. S, s. And then we have ah, ah, ah. Good. So far we learned two sounds. S and ah. Can you say that? S and ah. Good job. Okay. So now we are going to look at these pictures. We've got 4 pictures that you can see on the screen. So we are going to find out if this picture has got a sound or s sound. Okay, so let's check if this has got a or s. The first picture is axe. Axe. Does it start with s or a? Does it start with s or a? Axe. Axe. Yes, axe starts with a. Good job. Next is sun. Sun. Does it start with s or a? Sun. Ready? Oh, it starts with s, sun. The next picture is apple. Apple. Does it start with s or a? Yeah, you're right. It starts with a. Apple, a. And then the last picture is socks. Socks. Does it start with s or a? Good thinking. Socks starts with s. Okay, so words or picture that starts with s are sun, socks. And then the words that starts with a are apple, apple, and axe, axe. Good job. Okay, so that's the end of our lesson. I hope you learned something, and please come back for the next lesson so that at the end of this lesson we are going to be reading some words. Thank you very much. Bye bye.